All right, hello AP Computer Science students. As you've probably heard by now, or hopefully heard, we are transitioning to distance learning for all students starting on Monday, November 16th, which would be a week from today. So I thought I'd make a little video explaining about what this is going to look like. First thing to know is this week, to give teachers time to plan this transition, there will be no school for all students on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. You can see I put that right on Schoology for us. The first 2 days this week we'll just be doing some stuff about for loop programming to our second type of loop, but then we won't have school Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so what the plan is for this class, and most of your classes likely, is we are going to have live sessions each day, right? So this is a big change from the way it's been doing. Distance learners, hybrid students, I believe, as far as right now, the information they've given us is that all students are going to attend class live. So I will teach live during our regularly scheduled class hour. What I imagine this to look like is I'll have a lesson, might be different each day, but probably about 15 to 30 minutes. And then after which there'd be some sort of assignment or work for you. And at that point, you could either stay on and ask me questions about the work, or if you wanted to work on your own, you could probably leave the Google Meet at that time. But at least at the beginning, there'll be like a check-in period and a lesson that everybody will be required to attend, which I realize is a big change, especially if some of you have been working on days when you've had distance learning before. Again, as far as I know, that's the plan. I think it could change because we have these days each week where the admin might give us different direction, but based on what they've told us so far, that is the plan. All right, and just a little bit of note here about this. So here's how you'll attend class. So I have this little link right on Schoology, and the big thing there is it has our actual class times, which is when the Google Meet will start. So at 8:32, that's when it'll start. And then the directions for joining are also in here. Basically, rapid identity, click on Google Meet, join or start, and then just do West Batal right there. And then you'll be in the meeting and we'll be all ready to go. All right, so it'll be a big transition for me, for you guys, but that's the plan for now. Again, keep watching this page for updates and stuff, but that's what we're planning for starting next Monday on the 16th. All right, please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks and have a good day.